Hello. Today, we're excited to share feedback from our clients who have experienced the benefits of Getfloorplan firsthand. Whether you're in real estate and need stunning floor plans, immersive 3D tours, or professional visualizations, this is your chance to hear directly from those who've worked with us. We're also launching a new video series where we'll address your reviews and questions in detail. Stay tuned to learn more about how Getfloorplan can help you showcase properties and achieve faster sales. Today, we will look at reviews from our users on Trustpilot.
Great platform. Really good quality received in 24 hours as advertised. Prices are reasonable for the quality provided. Actually, I am impressed from the final result, and I will definitely use Getfloorplan services again. Just try it and you won't be sorry. Great product in general.
This is amazing. I was very skeptical at the beginning. I couldn't believe that at this price and in 24 hours I can get materials that I can actually work with as a real estate entrepreneur. But the results amazed me. The 3D plans and virtual tour are incredible. The renders can be better, but the support team did their best to meet my expectations. I'm using them to market a project of new apartments. If it wasn't for them, I would never use virtual tour to market my project. But Tom Line, fantastic value for money.
Thank you so much for your feedback. Our team carefully reads all your messages. We've also got a bonus for you. Leave us a review on Trustpilot or G2, or share your opinion on social media by tagging our account. As a thank you, we'll give you a promo code for 20% off your next order. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news and special offers. See you in the next videos.